Hi there, and welcome on the English as a Beauty YouTube channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to explain to you how future simple tense works in English. It is normally used in predictions. For example, it looks like Jane will lose her job. It is also used to express future facts. For example, the factory will open in August. You also use future simple when you're making decisions at the moment of speaking. For example, did you know that Sarah has a birthday today? Oh really? I will buy her a present. The future simple tense is also used in offers. For example, I'll help you with that task of yours if you want. Also, you use the future simple tense while promising something to someone. Like in this sentence, I promise you, you will not regret watching this movie. The future simple tense is also used in requests. When you want to request something. For example, will you deliver a presentation on our company tomorrow? And you also use the future simple tense in refusals. For example, no, I will not tolerate such behavior. I know that some of you will ask this question. So what is the difference between will and shall? So here is the deal. You use shall in offers and suggestions that are expressed in the question form with I, we. Like in this sentence. Shall I help you with your advertising campaign? That was an offer. And in the next one, shall we discuss this in the morning? This is a suggestion. And here is something I'd like to ask you. Every day we find ourselves in different situations in our lives when we are supposed to use the future simple tense. What are those situations? Can you share with me some of yours? I'll appreciate that. So these were the main rules for using the future simple tense. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, English is a beauty.